Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this episode of the new farm. Harvesting corn today. It's going to be a good one. Alright, let's hop in the combine and let's hope I can get this AI set up right so he'll work. So let's just go over here. I checked everything, I greased it, and I blew everything. Let's start the combine. We got the S770 over there. So, this should be a good one. Now, I already have this guy on auto steer. So I should probably put that for AI. Let's see. I gotta match that. Corey, oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna let him do his thing. I could care less. If he gets somewhat in the right spot, then I can go start the S770. But do not run anything over. You're harvesting absolutely nothing, bud. Hey, oh my god. It's okay, guys. We'll go hop in the S780. No, S770. The grain cart is down there, but that's only like an 800 bushel grain cart. So with this thing and our Case 2180, I'm not sure how good that's gonna work, but we'll get her to work. So as I'm driving almost into the ditch. So let's go start. Probably start doing headlands. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna do 3 headlands. Supposed to be our GPS setup. Let's let this warm up. And our nitrogen level, oh, that's bad. But once we get into this, I've already got like 2 truckloads off this. But the Vincite, I need to get the auger. So we're just dumping into the grain dryer right now, guys. But once we get 2 truckloads, we'll go dump that. We'll hop back in, and I'll probably start an AI on this so I can run a grain cart for you, so you guys can get an amazing view of this field. This is probably maybe a 100-acre field, but we'll probably knock it out probably in, I would say, an hour or so. It is October 1st, so. And we're already at 20%, so that's probably a good thing. Yeah, the S770 is probably the second best combine. It does a really good job at harvesting this stuff. So yeah, doing pretty good. I probably should stop and check the back, so let's go do that. Looks pretty good, guys. I don't see anything. Combine looks good. The PTO, all that stuff looks fine. I am using GPS, guys. I don't like doing anything without GPS. It just makes it a lot easier if you use GPS. But we'll harvest this. We might get to another field today. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a 10 minute, but we'll probably do. This is a brand new map. I think this is the FS25 Wisconsin map. I'm just not quite sure what map it actually is. But it's nice out. That's a pretty good view, guys. I don't know why you wouldn't want to live on this. That's an amazing view. The yield says the moisture's 17, but the yield says it's 190, which isn't bad, but it could be better. That's a nice view, guys. Alright, we'll stop this right here. Make our second. Oh, he's already come down, so if we get it set up just stupid thing. Don't want to take his path. I just want to. Wasn't too bad. Could have been better. But of course, our GPS is set up different, so he's gonna have to make a second headland pass. Yeah, I have a 16 row and he has a 12 row, so that's a pretty big difference. Oh, guys, yeah, that's a pretty big difference. I probably should have got a 12 row. But it's fine, we can make it work. I'll let him stand on the other side. I'm 74%, so once we get this unloaded, I'll put him on, I'll put an AI on this one. We're doing pretty good. I mean, I am 80% full now, but going 6 miles an hour. And this is the first time I've started harvesting with a John Deere on this map. I hope that's good because it is the best combine in the world. Now, a lot of people are going to argue that, oh no, Case axle flows are better, you know, but those old Gleaners only sold 5 of them. Everything comes out the back and never stays in the front. Or the hopper. It's just a whole mess nowadays. But we'll get this done. We'll hop in the grain cart. Oh, shoot. I didn't realize I was 98% full. I gotta cut myself a little path to get out. We'll pull the auger out. Sorry, my dogs are barking insanely. But he's only 62% full, so that's not bad. There we go, let's hop in this. Gotta close my door. And turn myself around. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh. We will go unload this one, and we'll be right back. What? Okay. I'll be there in a minute. Alright guys, let's go unload this and then I'll be right back and then I'll go unload. So let's just unload this and I'll be right back. Just give me like 2 minutes, guys. But other than this, the yield probably is going to pull green once. And I'm already almost full on this. So I'll be right back, guys, and we can keep continuing to go. Alright, guys. I'm back. I had to go do something. Sorry for that. So it looks like we're full, almost. Yeah, we're 96% full, which is probably like 700 bushels. So we'll go unload this, and then we'll be right back. You gotta unload this, go back, and I think the 2188's full already. Don't remember. Probably do 5 more minutes on this video, guys, and then I hope you enjoy. I'm trying my best, seeing how I don't do this that much. Downshift. Let's fill the first truck. I don't know if I'll fill this first truck though. I'll probably fill a hopper at least. Oh no, I'll fill a hopper and a half, maybe. Oh, he is full. So I'll have to go. Go to him. I don't even have enough headland passes done to see if I can even turn around in this. Barely made it. Alright, let's go take care of him and then I can get the SM70 on an AI. Yeah, I definitely not just hit my combine. I just biffed it in my combine. You all did not see that. Well, at least it's not a $500,000 combine. Jinx, yeah. It's just a pretty penny. It's not gonna... Well, I only have $2 million. So that could hurt the farm, but I don't think so. This is a... I'm pretty sure this is a... Oh, this is a Case 9730, I think. And then we'll go, let's see if we can go catch him. Oh, shoot, I don't know if I can get in there. I'll go unload this one, guys, and then we'll be done. I'll post like 2 more shorts and another video later, probably doing tillage on the bean ground. And then we'll do pretty good. Other than that, this grain cart I think is a J&M 800 bushel grain cart. I'm just not really totally quite sure. Where is he? How far? Oh, he's all the way down there. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna unload this? This is a little bit too difficult for me to do this. Alright, well, let's see what we can do. I think I'm gonna have to get him to move over. I don't know. That's a pretty... Let me see if I can get all the way over. So I can't reverse. I can't even turn around in this. We'll downshift gears. And we'll just creep up there. I'll have to run some corn over for this, guys. Don't look. Oh, this is sad. Oh, this is sad. Oh no. I had to run corn over for that. It can't hurt that bad. Alright guys, this is wrapping up the video for today. Have a good rest of your day, guys.